I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back.
Hey guys, so this is going to be an unexpected video. I've literally just broke my nail off. It is killing. It was my own fault for opening something with my nails, and then I slipped and it just literally pinged it off and back, and this is the result. So that is why we always tell everybody and our clients, do not use your nails as tools. Treat them like jewels. And obviously I didn't follow my own advice, and this is what has happened. Thankfully it actually didn't hurt as much as the last time that I did it, because it literally just came clean off. I don't think I had time to sort of think about it. It just happened so fast. But I am going to do a video on how I would now take care of this disaster. So I'm just going to go upstairs and rinse it and make sure to dress it nicely in a plaster, probably for a couple of days, and then we will come back and assess the damage and see what we're going to do from there. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Sorry that you're having to look at this for the entire time. Let's switch it around. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it helps some of you out that may come into like trouble with this. Even if you're not a nail tech and you've broken a nail off like this, I'm going to show you sort of like how I would look after it. This isn't, I'm not saying this is what you should do, but this is just what I personally do, and if you want to follow these steps, then go ahead. Do so at your own risk, but please note that this is an open wound and it does need taken care of properly, so always seek medical advice if you need to. And yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I'm just in the bathroom and I'm just going to put some warm water on, and this is what we are dealing with. So what I've got is some antiseptic cream, and the one that I like to use is the Germaline antiseptic cream. So yeah, I've got some of that, and I also have a couple of plasters, which we have a nice pink one, and then we have Shoulda, because that's all I could find. We did have plain plasters, but I just don't know where they are. So I'm literally, this is going to sting like hell, and it will sting, but it's just what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do, okay? So gently just rinse. And I'm sorry that this is like right out of the shot, but I haven't even got a tripod in the bathroom, so it is what it is. You just want to rinse for a nice amount of time, get rid of any excess blood. Some has dried up on there, so that's the deal with that. And that's just going to take down any like pain, because the coolness does sort of like ease that pain slightly. Damn! Oh, by the way, my nails are colour changing as well. Let me put some hot water on. So can you see my, oh god, these two fingers with a blue at the tip. So you ready? Is this hot? It goes to a white kind of colour. Well, a grey white colour. Pretty damn cool. Oh, just banged it. That's probably enough rinsing, so you just want to get some toilet roll, something that's clean, kitchen roll, toilet roll, whatever you fancy, and just pat it dry. And guys, please remember as well, this is just what I do. You do whatever you need to do. Okay guys, so I literally just had to take a quick phone call, but the next step after rinsing and patting dry for me is to just apply some antiseptic cream. So I'm going to use the Germaline. Oh god, that is so painful, man. And this just makes it, well, stops it from getting any bacteria, infection, because it is an antiseptic cream. Make sure that nothing gets in there, because I am working today and I have stuff to do. So I can't be laid in bed all day just gutted that I've killed my nail. even though I am absolutely devastated. So I'll just apply the cream on like so. And I know the lighting is terrible, but I thought that this video would be helpful for some of you guys who are in the same predicament as me. So next I'm coming in with a plaster, and I'm just going to use the pink one first because I want the Star Wars to be showing. So the first plaster, I like to do it like that, and then I will just wrap it around the bottom of my finger, not too tight because it will press onto the exposed nail bed area, which is, Jesus Christ, that is painful. Damn, too tight. You just literally, oh God. Guys, just never use your nails for anything. I never do, I don't usually, but I was just literally opening a packet of toilet roll and I like sliced my thumb down, but I slipped and I just went pfft, and it pinged off. So then, once I've done the first one, the second one I basically use just to keep the first one on. So I'm just placing it on, rubbing it around, and then around. Hey Yoda, how you doing, honey? Yeah, I'm great, man. I'm just totally awesome. Just looking after your thumb. So yeah, that is my little makeshift bandage. We've still got a little air hole so we can breathe. Everything's nice and covered. I'm not gonna be like banging it. It is still tender and it will be tender for a little while. But I'll do this for a couple of days, allow it to heal. I will take it off at night so that it can get some air to it and it can actually dry up and heal, because you don't want to keep it moist all the time. So I'll be back in a few days to assess the damage so that I can actually touch it and clean it properly. Assess the damage and see when I will be able to put a new nail back on. And yeah, so that's this part of the video, and I'll see you back in a few days. Goodbye, and wish me luck. The force is with you. Hey guys, so this is my thumbnail. It's been about 5 to 6 days since I had my little accident. So I only had a plaster on for the first day, like a full day, with the Germaline antiseptic cream, and then I took it off and allowed it to air out. As you can see, there is definitely some damage there and some nail plate that has been removed. The skin on the tip of the finger started to peel because it actually ripped down when I took the rest of the nail off that was slightly still attached. But other than that, there is no pain, no sensitivity or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this part of the acrylic that is still attached and just assess the damage a little bit further and see where we are at. Okay, so the damage is not too bad. Literally, I've seen people bite their nails worse than this, but I'm just glad that it's healed and better, and I am actually going to go ahead and put a sculpted tip on here, and then I can do a redesign. I broke this one today. Pixie and I were playing. Cuticles are such a freaking mess. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vid. In fact, I'll add on the sculpting the tip into this video as well. So yeah, it's not the end. It's not the end, guys.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.